We receive so many messages on WhatsApp on a daily basis. Some of them are just waste of time. Some of them we don't even know whether they are real, with so much of AI videos floating around, false information, propaganda, and so on. And so our WhatsApp feed is flooded with all these on a daily basis, right? From different groups, from friends, from families, we get the same things over and over again. And sometimes it gets frustrating. But what about using WhatsApp for a totally different, productive, and satisfying cause? And that is to learn music. Have you ever thought about it? Instead of getting these unwanted messages where you waste so much of time, that same time, if you could listen to some music lessons on a daily basis and learn from them, won't it be great? By the way, this is Music Mitra and I'm Bindu Nair, and today we are going to discuss WhatsApp based Carnatic music learning. This is a unique way of learning music which was started during the COVID time when I could not take direct classes, and I had so many students asking me whether I can teach, and the slots were not enough in a day to teach so many people, right? So I came up with this unique way of teaching where I send them the lesson through audio messages as if I'm sitting in the class with them. It's like each line I repeat twice. First time they listen, second time they repeat, like how they would do in the class. And you have it in your smartphone. So you have the lesson with you and you don't have to be present at a class at so and so time. You don't have to have a Zoom link, nothing. Whenever you're free, like let's say you're going out on your morning walk, put the earphone, listen to the lesson. You're cooking, put the lesson on. You're driving, put the lesson on. So you integrate your music learning into your daily life without taking extra time out. So the unproductive time that you have in a day, I won't say unproductive, you are doing something, but or when you are driving or when you are cooking, you can listen to a class, you can listen to your teacher teaching you, and you can keep repeating it consciously, subconsciously. And in 1 week, I'm telling you, you will master that lesson. And then what happens? You record it and send it to the teacher, and the teacher will guide you. If there is any mistake, she'll correct you, and then we go forward to the next lesson. So that is what is known as WhatsApp based learning with feedback from teacher, not just one way traffic. It's both ways. You have to record and send it. So in a class, how would you sing it back to the teacher and show for her to correct you? Same way, we just do it using the medium of WhatsApp and not bound by time. You take your own time to learn it at your pace, and this has helped a lot of people in my Sanskriti Academy, and I would like to share few of the testimonials here. This is what they had to say. So check it out, and if you are also interested to start your music journey, you can write in to us. At the end of this video, I'll be giving you the contact email and the WhatsApp number where you can contact, and we will get you started on your music journey too. Bye.
Hello, my name is Naveen and I'm a student of Sanskriti Music Academy. Um, Sanskriti Music Academy offers a very unique way of learning music online. Um, my experience has been that every week I get lessons sent to me, recordings of lessons sent to me on WhatsApp. And over the course of the week, I take my own time, I listen to these lessons, and I learn and I sing along. um, End of the week, I get an opportunity to send back recordings of what I have learned to the instructor, who then gives me feedback. There are also sessions that are organized by the Academy for you to engage with your instructor through Zoom. In addition to all this, there are also videos on YouTube which you can refer to as and when you require. I run a program in Southern Africa, and my job takes me around the place, and I find it very difficult to set aside a time or a date to learn music. So here I get this great opportunity to learn at my own pace and continue to engage with my instructor on an ongoing basis. So for those who are passionate about music and those who want to learn, I would strongly recommend you engaging with the Sanskriti Music Academy and try their online learning platform. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nirmala Nair and I'm from Kerala. I've joined the Sanskriti Music Academy, uh, I can say accidentally. I just happened to join a Zoom music session of Srimati Bindu Nair on a Ganesh Stuti. She was taking a lesson on Ganesh Stuti. And I joined it. Just few friends told me that it's happening, if you like, you join. So I joined it, and I just loved the way she taught, the way she explained it to you, and her beautiful voice. So I WhatsApped her and asked her. I'm an old student of music, Carnatic music. I've learned only in my school days and stopped in my school days. And I'm a senior citizen now. And I still have the passion to learn. Is it possible for me to learn at this age? She said there's no age limit to learn music. She said she can definitely help me. And she told me that she has these WhatsApp classes, which will be good. And she explained to me how it went. I said, yes, I will join. So I joined. So every week she sends me class lessons. And within a week or two, we learn it, master it, and record it and send it back to her on WhatsApp. And she corrects it, and it goes on like that. It's really so easy for a housewife, for a working woman. It is so easy because every day you can take your time, your own convenience, your own time to go through the WhatsApp music she sent you, classes she sent you, learn it, study it well, and tape it and send it back. There's no particular day or time when you're supposed to be online to learn. It is at your convenience, your timing, and I enjoy this. That is the best part, is it is at your timing. So I really enjoy this, and I look forward to every week to get that material where I can learn. Uh, Also, she gives you lot of exercises. She sends you a lot of videos on voice training, voice exercises, especially to get your breath. I'm a senior citizen, so it was very difficult for me to get my breath on, even Saptaswaras, I was finding it difficult. If it's a long line, it was finding it difficult. So, with all these exercises, I have really improved, I feel, and I can be, more or less, I feel, I feel I've improved a lot. And then she also told me on my recording, she told me that I have improved a lot. So, it's very encouraging, and at any age, music is beautiful. And nowadays, because it's difficult direct learning, this is the best way you can learn. And I'm sure anybody who joins Sanskriti Music Academy is going to enjoy it. And I love the way Srimati Bindu Nair takes her classes, and I'm enjoying it, and her voice is just beautiful. So I recommend her to anybody and everybody who loves music and who want to continue music. Age is no bar for music, she says. And I think I'm proving it, because she has really done me good, and I can feel myself loving music once more and taking it up. Thanks a lot, Bindu, for it. And I hope more and more people take up this music and the way you want to spread it, and you're doing your best, I know. So thanks a lot for the help you've given me, and hope more people will learn music and spread Carnatic music around. Thank you so much. Bye.